Morning.
Hey, what's going on?
Good, good, good.
How's it going
What's
today?
happening?
So,
Where's Mr. Hoover today?
He is up in Harrisburg today.
Is he?
Do you want me to take a message for you, or?
Yeah, I said I'd stop by once when I called, trying to make an appointment. I haven't heard back from you guys yet.
No, I believe we tried calling the phone number, but what's in the conference room? I'll have Judy set something up with you.
All right, good. I don't have to call this time?
I mean, it's up to them, but here, have a seat in our conference
What do
room.
you say, Jack? Zach? What's
How's it
going on? Good. Senator's not in yet again today?
He is not. He is not in right now. He's actually, he's sick today. Would you mind actually
Sick
not
today?
filming me?
Yeah, you're
I'm
a
sorry.
public official.
I actually have some sensitive material
Yeah, all
on my
right.
desk. Would you mind hanging in the conference room?
Sure, not
we
a problem.
really do have social security numbers and other information.
Not a problem.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Judy, good. What can I
Hi.
do for you?
No, we were just gonna talk in the conference room.
Oh, okay.
That's okay.
Only thing I'm talking about is making an appointment, but sure. What you got?
That's not accurate at all. People are screening. You know, we're
Be right with you, okay?
Oh, sure.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
They keep on shoving me in this conference room for some reason. All I'm trying to do is make an appointment. I'm not sure why they locked me up in a room and then get on the phone. Got my folder here of things I want to discuss. I gotta call and ask permission if I can make an appointment? The heck's all the holdup? Come with me.
So I'm so sorry to keep you waiting.
That's okay. Didn't catch your name again?
It's Judy. Hi.
Judy.
So nice to
Last
meet
name?
you. Trombetta.
Trump? Sorry, yeah, I'd just like to make an appointment with the senator.
Well, so I know you want to make an appointment with the senator. I would love to speak with you. I'm happy to do that.
Are you representing him, I guess, and we'll
Yeah,
have
so
his
I'm
answers?
the district office director
Oh,
here.
perfect then. Well, okay, I still want to make an appointment with him, but I guess you can ask any questions you got.
The last time you came in, Dan, the phone number you gave us didn't seem to be a correct phone number.
I changed it, so
Yeah, well, that makes it difficult for us to set
That's
up
right.
a meeting.
You have my, you have caller ID. You had my that number. You also have my address. You didn't even know my name, Dan. So how'd you know that? So you know all about me and where I live and everything. So you could have mailed me something.
I don't actually know your phone number. Or
So-
Well, you know who I am.
Excuse me, though.
so.
First things first, though.
So that's fine. You could have mailed it.
You know, if we're going to be speaking here,
Yes.
I'd really appreciate it if you turn off the
Absolutely
video
not.
camera.
This is a public office with public
Well,
officials.
so the reason I ask you to do that is because we have a lot of confidential information.
And that's
in
why
this
you put me in
office.
here, so there's nothing confidential
Well,
in here.
right. So we have a public space where we generally meet with our constituents.
Good.
That's this. This is our conference room. That
Perfect.
said, if we're talking about constituent issues or anything like that, we ask that you turn off the video recorder.
Well, if you have nothing to hide, then you should be very proud to be on camera stating your positions.
Well, thank you so much.
So this is not getting turned off. So are we going to get right to the points
we have
here?
a couple options. One is, you know, again, if you turn that camera off, we're happy to speak with you about
I'm
any
sure.
constituent issues that you have.
Don't be scared
including-
don't be scared of a camera, but go ahead.
Number two is that I am happy to ask you to leave right now. This is not a place that we're allowing recording. in
Are you
this office.
trespassing me from a public office? Or are you just asking me to leave? Which one is
I'm
it?
asking you to leave.
Okay, I decline your request.
Okay.
Unless there's a
finally,
reason for me to leave. I mean, I'm just here to make an
Well,
appointment.
it doesn't seem like you actually want to schedule a meeting. Why would you give us inaccurate information?
I didn't give you an accurate
Yes, you did. You
information.
gave me a phone number that you knew wasn't a correct phone number.
No, that is incorrect. I
So
don't know
you
what
changed
number I
your
gave
phone number
you.
within the 6 hours after giving it to me that day?
Did you call me within 6 hours?
I did.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
And-
probably.
Well, how are we ever supposed to work with you or schedule a meeting?
Well, that's why I
if
came
you're not
back.
giving us
That's why I
accurate
came back
information?
here. That's why you
Okay.
know you have caller ID. You know exactly my first and last name and my address, and I beg you to deny that. Okay, so you could have sent me a letter stating that we can't get a
I
hold of
don't
you.
have
Please
your
come by.
address. I haven't-
Okay,
I
thanks for
haven't gotten
denying.
that information.
Thank you.
In fact, another legislator, they
Thank you.
reached out to us and they let us know you visited their office as well.
Yeah, Mr.
That's
Briggs.
how we were
Right.
giving your name because
Exactly.
you wouldn't even give us your name.
How would he know my name?
Well, Senator Leach doesn't. It's hard to, he can't have meetings with people who won't give him their name
I'll
or
happily
any
give him money.
information about why they want to
Happily.
meet.
Happily.
All right,
Okay, you ready for the information?
So thank you so much, but listen, the other option is that if you refuse to
Okay,
leave.
so how much net worth
If-
has Senator Leach increased since his entered public
If
service?
you refuse to turn the camera off, we're going to ask that you leave.
Oh, this
And
is a
if you
public
refuse to
space,
leave,
which is fine.
Then we will be calling the police.
For the reason of trespassing me?
I don't know if trespassing is the
Yeah, I
correct
don't know.
word, but I'm asking that this is a public.
Paid for by me and other taxpayers, so this is my office. Then you guys.
Well, so that.
So you want
that's,
to ask the questions? Can you want to answer some questions real
I
quick?
told you we need to turn the video recording.
Yeah, you guys are so scared of really just being.
Thank you so much.
All right, so can I make an appointment with the senator then? Since I came back.
We're just not going to talk anymore until you turn
Right.
off the camera. We're going to contact the police.
You want to discuss Project Veritas at all about all the corrupt voting records
Thank you so much.
and the DNC, the way they're running everything? No, I can go any way I would like. This is my office, but that's
no,
fine.
this is confidential information in here. People have constituent concerns
So
on
we
their
go
desks.
back in there and talk then? Or you don't want to talk?
You can. I'm happy to let you stay there and wait.
Okay. I mean, I'm like, I have things to do. I just came to make an appointment.
All right.
and-
So two options.
So can I make an appointment first of all?
Can you turn off your camera?
Can I make an appointment? I'll happily make
Please
that
turn off your
decision
camera.
after we decide if I can make an appointment.
Chad, do you mind calling?
Can I make an appointment?
we have confidential information on his
Right.
desk, on these
I understand.
desks.
So can I make an appointment? I'll go out here in the hallway, and if you guys can, I'm happy to leave, but I would like to know if I can make an
Please
appointment. Can I make an appointment?
Please leave.
Hi, my name's Chad.
Can I make an appointment?
Senator Leach's office.
Again, we've tried making appointments with
I'll
you.
happily
We've
leave.
tried having good conversations
No, you
with
haven't. You haven't tried at all. I'm just here to make
Thank
an
you so
appointment.
much.
So the answer is no, I guess.
Not right now.
Okay, that's fine. You know, I'm not going to cause any issues. I'm just here to see if I can make an appointment,
All right,
discuss some
I
issues.
appreciate you.
All right.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much.
guys. Yep, appreciate it.